Hey everyone, in this video today I have some LED garage lights that install into a hexagon shape. First start off like this and it ends up like this. The instructions are nice enough to show you a pattern as well as how to install that pattern. You do get a parts list, shows you the installation warning to not force things together, and it shows how the connector is a bit fragile on the inside as well. These are some color-coded installation tips which show that yellow are one specific connector, red are another one, and green is another one as well. And all these together will make this nice hexagon shape. If you look straight into it, you can see where the connectors are on one side, and if you look at the lights, the connectors are on one side as well. So it's really hard to get this wrong. So we're going to take these two, push these two together, and it should come in smoothly. And with that, we can run a time lapse and install this very quickly. So here we go, just installing these connectors, just following the instructions. Light goes in, making sure we don't force these things in. Putting this in as well, trying not to force it once again. Unfortunately, there were a few where I had to force a few of them, and I was just really hoping that the connector wouldn't break, and turns out it didn't, but of course, just be careful when using the force against this. So it took about 15 minutes to put this together, and here's how it looks like. It's pretty big actually. Here's what it looks like with the power cord plugged in. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a switch, so I'll have to plug this into an outlet switch or something like that. With it lit, it looks pretty good on the wall of my garage. That's pretty much it. Thank you.